What's good, y'all? That's back with another video. Today is day 5 of me following my rules until I'm profitable. See right here, cooling on the chair or whatever, looking at stuff. Currently on the charts, looking for a setup. I'm gonna see what I can find, keep y'all posted, and yeah, we're finna go from there. What's going on, y'all? So this is the trade I'm taking today here on NASDAQ, targeting a 1 to 4. We did tap 1 to 1 already, so I did trail to break even. Honestly, I'm just looking for price to continue pushing downwards and go ahead and tap my my TP, right? Market did open, so this is the market open candle. I'm looking for price to continue pushing downwards. Let me go ahead and drop to the 1 minute time frame just to see how price is reacting. Hopefully we don't reject here. We broke this low. So I would love for this candle to push downwards. I'm hoping we don't get wicked out at break even, right? Let's see. It's getting close to it. We got 15 seconds on this candle. Hopefully it could close bearish. I'm hoping this candle close bearish and continue pushing downwards. Looking to break this low right here, right? Come on, break the low, please. Break the low. Break the low. So overall, this was a pre-market setup, and I did enter off the break of the candle on the 5 minute time frame. I entered right here at the break of the candle. So I'm just looking for price to continue to push downwards, honestly, right? Hoping we don't come and get wicked out. Overall, this is what I'm looking at, y'all. I don't like that rejection. That's a major rejection. I'm hoping we could push down and close below the 1 to 1 at least. Like, we got 16 seconds on this candle, or I'm hoping the next candle to just tank downwards, right? We got 10 seconds on this candle, y'all. All right, we pushing. 5 seconds on this candle. All right, we pushing. All right, now I would love this candle. Yep, there we go. We pushing. I'm gonna trail to 1 to 1. I'm gonna trail to right here. Boom. Secured 344 on this trade, and I'm gonna just hold from here. I need price to tap 1 to 3 in order for me to move to 1 to 2, y'all. Currently up 600. Currently up 600. Can you tap 1 to 2, please? Tap 1 to 2. 1 to 2 just got tapped. I needed a break below just a little bit though. Come on, don't do me like that. Don't do me like that. Don't do me like don't do me like that. Boom. I just secured $712, y'all. 712. Looking for a 1 to 3 tap on this trade. 1 to 3 tap. All right, y'all, I'm trailing heavy now. 960 in profit, trailing heavy. Just got wicked out, y'all. 960. Nice trade setup, quick setup, beautiful setup, and yeah, nice setup, y'all. I closed roughly before 1 to 3, and I just got done being unloaded. So currently, I'm on a 4-day winning streak, I believe. 4 or 5 day, I believe. I think it's 4. But overall, this was a nice setup, y'all. Nice setup here on NASDAQ today. Beautiful setup. Crazy. I secured 954. That's my area code. That's crazy. Let me go on stats real quick. So we looking real good, y'all. We looking real good. Following the rules. Looking real good, y'all. Looking real good. Real good. Alright, so I actually did want to go ahead and break down this setup I took today on NASDAQ, right? So I'm on a 5 minute time frame, right? So what I noticed today, which caused me to actually enter this short position on NASDAQ, is that we were actually in a bearish trend, right? Actually in a bearish trend, price is going downwards, and we had this major low right here, right, that we did not break, right? So being that we had this major low, I also noticed that price were creating minor breaks of structure, right? So what I mean by that is we had this low right here that got taken out, right? Let me change the color on this one so y'all can see. Let me change it to orange. All right, so don't mind that. I'm getting loaded right now. Truck moving all over the place. But anyways, let's dive in, right? So we broke minor breaks of structure, right? We broke this minor. First of all, this was the first one we broke right here, right? This was a minor break of structure right here. Boom. I noticed we broke one minor break of structure. Then we came down and we broke another one, right? Boom. We broke another minor break of structure right here, right? We came down, we broke another minor break of structure, right? We broke right here. So when I noticed that, I was like, okay, we just broke another minor break of structure. What happened after that? We broke another one, right? You could, if you want to count this one, right? So this is what I noticed, right, when I came onto the charts, right? Let me go ahead and zoom in a little bit. All right, so when I came on the charts, I noticed that we had this supply candle right here, and we broke this low right here, right? We broke this low. This was the next minor break of structure. So when I noticed that, I was like, okay, wait, market's about to open real soon, right? If we could get price to tap in and give me the break of the candle, I'll enter based on how the candle is moving close to market open, right? Because I really didn't want to take the trade, but the way I seen the candle was moving, I'm like, okay, we might have a strong push towards the downside. So I waited, price tapped into the zone, and then market open. This right here was the candle a couple seconds before market open, right? It started pushing real aggressive towards the downside. We ended up breaking that low right there, right? As soon as we broke that low, I didn't enter right away. I waited on market open candle, right? Market open candle. We went up, we came down, we broke. As soon as we broke this base right here, I was like, okay, I might enter. Then we broke the candle low, right? I got in a little bit before we actually broke the candle low, so I actually got in right here, and then we immediately just pushed downwards, right? But that's the reason why I took this trade, because we had minor breaks of structure, and I was like, you know what? If we have minor breaks of structure, I want to see if we could take out this major break of structure, right? And we did. We broke that low. We broke this major low right here, major break of structure. That's why I entered this trade here on NASDAQ, y'all. And yeah, I'm just following the system and letting it play out. But overall, this was a nice setup here on NASDAQ. Got in at the right time, the right moment, and secured $954 on this trade. And I immediately locked myself out the account because, you know, I don't want to have a reason to go back in the charts to try to make more money. Even if I want to, I can't do nothing because I'm locked out for 7 hours. It's been a couple hours, but I originally had it for like 9 hours, so it's been a couple hours. So definitely recommend locking yourself out the account once you take a winning trade or a losing trade. That way, if you want to go back and, you know, revenge trade, or you get greedy and want to make more money, you can, even if you want to. But overall, this is how we looking, y'all. I just need 1,000 to pass the eval. And mind you, I only got one eval, y'all. I only got one. So my other one I blew that a long time ago. So I'm just sticking to one right now. So overall, y'all, today was a good day on the markets. Followed my rules, stay disciplined, and the whole point of this series is to just follow my rules for 30 days and see where it leads me, right? So overall, had a good day on the markets, and I'm gonna just continue to push forward, and hopefully that just give me the profitability sooner, right? But I'm gonna go ahead and end the video off here. I haven't really been recording like lifestyle shit, like what I be doing, because it be the same shit, but you know, I might show y'all a little bit here and there or whatever, whenever I feel like. Mostly just for to be like on the charts for real. Other than that, man, I'm gonna end the video off here. Y'all like, comment, share, subscribe, man. That's what get out, man.